In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to refund money on eBay as a seller. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have recently sold any items on eBay, you will be able to issue a refund to any buyer. This will be done and processed through eBay itself. So all that you have to do is go over to the Seller Hub, aka My eBay. In My eBay or Seller Hub, you can go over to all of your sold items. They will appear on the list, including their details, description, the price, and if you look under View Payment Details, after you expand this drop-down menu, you should be able to find Send Refund. So at the right side of View Payment Details, open this drop-down menu and you will see it here, Send Refund. If you do not see this option, it could indicate that this specific transaction cannot be refunded anymore for a variety of reasons. In that case, I would recommend simply talking to the customer support to see what can be done. But if you see this option, all that you have to do is select it. So once you click on Send Refund, you will begin the process. First, you will have to specify the amount. So if the person wants to keep the item, but maybe it's damaged, maybe it's not working properly, it's missing pieces, you might want to offer a partial refund, so you can specify the amount that you would like to propose refunding. Alternatively, you can give a full refund by taking this option or just typing out the exact full amount here in this input field. So once the amount has been input, choose Next and you can proceed. You will then have to specify a reason. Don't worry, there's no wrong reason, so just be transparent, be genuine, and specify why this refund is being issued. Then input an optional note to the buyer, choose Next, and you will review everything. So the refund summary including purchase price, shipping price, fee credits, total refund will be displayed here, and how you will be refunding. Usually this will be done with your eBay funds, so you will see the amount here, and if everything looks okay, you can choose Refund Now. eBay will handle the rest of the payments, and all that you have to do now is wait. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if you subscribe, you can help us on the channel make higher quality videos. I highly count on your subscription. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.